Welcome to our channel Banu Revant. Hi everyone, I am Banu. This is episode 1 part 2. Last video I have kept episode 1 part 1. So in this video I am going to keep episode 1 part 2. Now I have digged some right here. Let me show you. There's nobody outside now. Yeah. By making outside home it will be like normal, only everyone can build. So I have thought that I have to make some more interesting. So I have dig under, and from out it looks like a small room, but when we go inside then only we know what is inside. I have make some torches with charcoal. I will make a door with wood. I will make stairs because by going with stairs we can go fast here. And this is my dustbin. If anything I don't want I can throw on it. And I found some iron, I have to remove it. So today I will do it. And I found 6 while removing this 6 iron I found, and makes I've found so much cobblestone, and have a crafting table and a bed. And guys, I'm doing this video right now. It is December 31st 2021, means tomorrow is going to be New Year 2022. So to do special, I'm doing this video night. So today I'm going to extend this side and collect this iron, and New Year celebration by cake cutting. Yes guys, I will make a cake. To find this materials it took so much time, that's why I didn't kept any video. It took long time, so that's why only I didn't kept video. To get these materials it is so much hard to get these materials. So I have collected and I made one cake only. I don't have more ingredients to make another cake, so I will make one cake and put it on the planks. And now I can do simply, I have decorated one side to cut. At the ending of this video we will be cutting the cake, or in the middle. So let's start to extend. And by killing the cows I have got half of my armor, not full but half. My protection is 2 now and my XP is 3. Okay, let's start mining this gold. Mining this iron. I have to use the torches very carefully because I have only 14 left. For lighting I will keep right here. And let's start. 5 longer we will go. We can find anything after going 5 longer. So I want to go 5 longer. Means now I'm removing the first layer, so I will go like this till 5th layer. Okay. I think it is taking a long process to remove all this. So meet you after removing this all. Guys, I have finally extended it. Actually it was right here. Now I have extended 5 blocks, and now there it was, and I have shifted here and make a chest and keep inside. I have totally 14 iron, 10 here and 4 is coming. So now let's cut the cake for the New Year celebrations. Okay guys, this is the cake. I think this is vanilla flavor, I think. Don't know which cake it is. Okay, let's eat the cake and cut the cake. Happy New Year guys to everyone who are watching this video. I wish this year goes well. Okay, let's cut the cake. guys, I've cut in the cake. So half piece for me and half piece for you. Happy New Year once again to everyone. So guys, we have cutted the cake. Should I remove this? Comment below, should I remove this or not, or keep like this only. Guys, we are reaching 50 subscribers, so please fastly subscribe. Just only clicking the subscribe button, so you can subscribe me. Please subscribe. Guys, we are coming to the end of the video. I will show my outer look of my house. Oh. This is outside. I have kept some torches. We saw iron right there, no, in last episode. No, in last episode 1, part 1. I will try to remove that as fast as possible. By building only it took so much time. See, iron. So I will remove by next episode. See how small it looks. But if we go inside only, we can make how large we want. Underground house. But not fully underground. So guys, this episode is some short than the episode, part 1. This part 2 is some short. So guys, why I have separated like part 1 and part 2, because you guys think that you can do episode 1 2 like that, but why I separated episode 1 into parts, because the video length become more than 30 minutes, so I can't send. So that's why half of that 10 minutes we have uploaded there, and I'm doing another half right now. So in episode 1, this is the end of episode 1, and episode 2 will be coming soon. So I hope you enjoy this episode 1 part 2. Part 2 1 is already uploaded. If you not saw part 1, please watch that, and after that you watch part 2, then only you can understand. So this is the end of episode 1. Next time it will be not parts, it will be episodes only, but short time, less than 10 minutes episodes. So that's it for today guys. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. We are reaching 50 subscribers, so then also I will cut the cake. More cakes I will cut if I get 50. So please, more 6 subscribers away from 50. So please subscribe to my channel Bhanu Revant and share it to everyone, and comment and like. See you in the next one. Bye.